Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some back to work and back to school fragrant picks that I wanted to give to you, okay? So if you are in those categories and you're going back to school or back to work, just keep watching. First up, I'm just a little bit jealous if you're going back to work. Yeah, girl, I've been working. I haven't stopped. Yeah, I'm not like a teacher or anything like that where I get a little summer vacation because the kids are, I don't got that. But I do have a fragrance pick list, and let's get right into it. And there's all different range of pricing, so let's go. We have Ocha. Okay, if you have heard of Ocha is a really good, sometimes they have inspired fragrances, different fragrances that you can get into. Well, I love me some watermelon jam, and if you are into a fruity watermelon type of scented fragrance, look no further. This gives you watermelon candy, okay? Like those watermelon Sour Patch Kids, it gives you that. It's so delicious and good and candy-like, and I feel like going back to school, this is very fun. This is very like almost like carnival thinking, not too serious, but I feel like this is going to be a really good like opening to school. Just happy and free and sweet, okay? You want to put on your little sweet treat. This is a good fragrance for back to school. I would highly recommend if you're into a watermelon scented fragrance, choose Watermelon Jam from Ocha. Next up, a good scent I feel is citrus, woody. You have some florals in this, and it's very classic, okay? Creative Vintage for her, I think it's a good back to work scent, okay? I feel like this just gives that teacher vibe, right? You're coming in to meet the students, all your new students, and you just want to give a great impression. This is a good, outstanding back to work fragrance. You cannot go wrong, okay? Especially in this season and it is hot. If you want to wear something that also leaves your scent trail, maybe the students need to smell you out in the hallway. Maybe not. But this is a great scent I would recommend for anyone going back to work, or even if you've been in work like me. This is an excellent work scent that leaves a great trail. Musk, citrus, violets in this, florals are in this. It is so good. I even think like green apple is in this, so you have some fruit. So really good fragrance, highly recommend. It's a classic. If you are a fragrance girly, you have this. You have this. Now, is it expensive? Yeah, but you got it. You have it in your collection, and if you're looking for something to stand out for this back to work season, that is Creative Vintage for her for sure. Next up, one of my favorite coconut water citrus salt note is in this type of fragrance. If you're looking for something that also has frangipani, so yellow floral rose, look no further than Coconut Sun from the Seven Virtues. This is a clean scented fragrance house, and it's so good. It also has a base note of vanilla in this. This is such a good back to school. Even you could do back to work, right? You can do either one, but such a great fragrance to wear for this season, going back to school, going back to work, and you want to smell coconut and, fruity, but floral, right? Something that, while Watermelon Jam from Ocha is not as serious, right? This can give you a more playful, serious, but maybe not too serious, right? This is not like Boss Woman, but I feel like this is really good. I also feel like this is transitional because it's not going to last you all day. So if you wanted to hang out and do some studying, or if you maybe have a date after work, I don't know. If you have a dinner that you're going to after work and you want to change up your fragrance, this is a good one because it's not going to last all day, and then you can change up your fragrance at the end. And maybe you want to wear creative vintage for her. I mean, either way, okay, you cannot go wrong. Next up, we have the Raspberry Lychee Rose Baby Delina, as I call her, and that is Angel Nova, okay? Scent trail all day. This can be college, like school, you know, college. This could be going back to work. This is so good. This is so good, okay? It's not as strong or as sharp as Delina, like the original Delina would be, in that sharpness that it has with the rhubarb. This lychee and raspberry, it is so good and fruity and rosy, and it lasts. I mean, when I was in New Orleans, hot heat was still getting compliments. I take this on vacation a lot, okay? But this will also work in the office. This will also work when you're going back to school or college or whatever. It is going to work for those two things. Highly recommend you get Baby Delina, aka Angel Nova, all right, from Mugler. I would highly recommend that fragrance. It is amazing. I actually got the recommendation from you all, and great pick, and I would highly recommend to anyone. Next up, a blood orange citrus, but like orange citrus, not the lemon citrus. We also have white floral in this. This is so good. And this is Chance Chanel Vibe. This is so good, you all. Highly recommend for school. Even work. I mean, this can go for both, okay? Yeah, this can go for both. So either work or school. Probably more school than work. I can see college students wearing this, especially for the summer, and we're like going into the fall, but it's still high heat right now in August still. Okay. Definitely a great pick to look into if you're looking for something that is fresh, lifts your spirit, right? You got to study, you're getting to know students, you're going to class, you got tests going on. This will uplift your spirit, and I love a good citrus that does that. It makes you happy and smile. This is your smiling fragrance. I would highly recommend you get that if you have any tests, some struggles. Maybe you are even in a new city because you're going to a college out of state, right? So you're having to kind of revamp or recreate your life or your social life, right? You're having to figure that out. Figure out being by yourself, right? Without mom and dad or sister or brother, right? Grandma, grandparents. You have to figure it out, okay? Go and get you happy. Go and get your happy. I would highly recommend. This is a great blood orange citrus fragrance that I would highly recommend. And did I mention sweet? It's that too. Moving on. Next up, another citrus fragrance that also makes me happy, but guess what it has, you all? Cotton candy. Yes! And musk and neroli. This is from Byredo. This is Sunday. Oh, so good. So good. I would absolutely recommend, if you're going back to school, this is a great school fragrance. You're going to get compliments. People in your bubble is going to smell you. They're going to be like, ooh, girl, you smell so good. Sundays is that thing, okay? And if you want a little cotton candy, so sweet and citrus, yeah, get you Byredo Sundays. You cannot go wrong. You can. It's so good. It's so good. Highly recommend for back to school, and certainly it will be your best friend. All right, moving on. Next up, I have a classic, okay? And this is definitely good for work. classic, classy. All right. And this is MFK. This is Baccarat 540 Rouge, the straight version. Highly recommend. I mean, what you gonna say? This is classic. Like, and either one, you can do MFK Baccarat 540, or you can do the straight. Either one is very good for back to work. Like, if you want to have a signature scent at work, this is a great signature scent type of fragrance. Okay. Now, for me, girl, I wear a lot of stuff all the time. So me having a signature scent is a no-go. But for you, those that do want a signature scent going back to work, this is a good back to work signature scent. Highly recommend. Good almondy.
What's your little almondy self? You sell almondy? Look at you. I'm gonna start calling you Almond Joy.
But it is so good, okay? And with that kind of moleculeness in it, it fits your skin so well, so perfect. I feel like man, woman, girl, boy, anyone can get this, but definitely recommend for back to work for sure. Next up, I don't talk about it much, but another good back to work fragrance. It's a tea note. You have white floral, so you have jasmine, you have musk in this, you have, I believe, benzoin is in this as well. This is Kayali, the Wedding Velvet Central. This is so good, you all, for work, okay? And then going into like the fall season, this is like, for me, like that rubble scent, okay? Man or woman can wear this, but this gives me like, if you don't like the girly girl scent, right, and you want to be this bold boss woman dominant, but you like to lean upon like some type of cologne men's style woody, but not too strong where you're like, it's the manly man and I can't get back. This is a great unisex fragrance. All to say, like, this is so good. I would highly recommend that you get this for going back to work. It is so good. You want to be that rebel. You want to be that one that people are like, what are you wearing? Like, kind of doing this question, this uniqueness. It is so good. I would highly recommend a tea scent, so it's not too powerful where it's obnoxious, right? Like sometimes fragrances can be like, girl, it's too much. Settle down. That is so good. Highly recommend that you get Velvet Central, the wedding scent. I have to always read it because it's so long, but this is so good, so worth it. Highly recommend. And guess what? You can also pair this with plenty of things on this list. This is a good scent for a base or by itself. Highly recommend. Well, fam, that's all for my back to work and back to school fragrant picks. All right. What are you prepared to wear for back to work or back to school? I would love to know some of your picks. All right. Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, of course, but I hope that I was very helpful and kind of steering you into some direction. Or have you think about some fragrances that maybe you haven't thought about in quite a while. All right. Until next time, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. Yeah. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.